Here we have another probability question where we're going to use tree diagrams. It's a variation on the previous question. So we're picking a marble, we're noting the colour, but this time we are not going to replace the marble that we select first. And then we're going to pick a second marble. So we've got two questions, probability of blue first, then green, and then probability of two the same colour. So we'll set it up in pretty much the same way as the previous question. We've got our four columns, marble 1, marble 2, because they're the two choices that I'm making, my outcomes, my probabilities. The branches that I'm going to draw are going to be very similar to the branches that I drew previously. Just watch out for any changes that might occur due to the nature of the question. So the first marble is selected, and it could be blue or green, and I'm going to fill in the probabilities now of those occurring as well. And then I have to choose my second marble. But let's just have a think. If I chose a blue marble first and didn't put it back in, so it's gone, can I still choose a blue or green? I can, because I still have blue and green left in the bag. So I'm going to draw in the branches to represent that. I could still get blue, and I could still get green, but my chances of selecting blue and green will be changed by the fact that I haven't put that first marble back in again. So that first marble is gone. So let's see, what are the chances now of selecting blue? Okay, so it's a half. One blue marble out of two marbles in total, and the chances of selecting green is a half. So now, what would happen if I had selected a green first? Well, if I selected a green marble first, well then, I took it out and I discarded it, so there's no green marbles left. So when I go to draw my branch into my marble 2 column, I'm only going to have to draw one branch because I don't have to draw one in for the green. Green couldn't happen. So if I picked green first, I could only pick blue second. Now, what are the chances on that second selection that I would pick blue? Well, blue is the only kind of marble left. So if I pick a marble, it's definitely going to be blue. So 2 out of 2, or if you like, just 1. 1, of course, don't forget, is at the top end of the probability scale. It's when something is certain. So I'm definitely picking a blue marble second time around if I picked a blue marble first time around. Now I'm going to fill out my outcomes. So my outcomes this time are, well, I could get blue and then blue. I could get blue and then green, or I could get green and then blue, but obviously I couldn't get green and then green. I'm going to fill in my probabilities at the end. So my probabilities again multiply as I go across. So that's going to be 2 over 6, or I could write that as 1/3. Again, 1/3, and finally 1/3. And I can see quite easily this time that my probabilities do in fact total up to 1. So that's quite reassuring. And then I'll answer the questions. So probability that I pick blue first and then green, well, that will be this particular outcome. So probability of blue and then green is equal to 1/3. What is the probability of two marbles of the same colour? Well, when I look down through my outcomes here, okay, well, blue, blue, they're the same colour. It's not possible for me to select green, green, so I don't have anything else to tick. So the probability that the two marbles are the same is just going to be 1/3.